So in this experiment, we're going to show that some chemical reactions are reversible, basically. So in this experiment, we have phenolphthalein and we have sodium hydroxide. Phenolphthalein is used as an indicator. Indicator is gonna change colors when something else mixed in and is present. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna fill our test tube up halfway with water. Next, I'm gonna take 2 drops of phenolphthalein and put it in. Once I mix it in, you'll notice it becomes like cloudy. Like, I don't know how well you see it, it's cloudy. You can see it in there, it's cloudy. Then I'm gonna take a drop, I'm only gonna take 1 drop of sodium hydroxide and mix it in, and it should change colors. So now you see that it's pink. So I want it to get a little bit more darker, so I'm gonna add a little bit more in there. So now as you can see, it's really pink. So now after I do that, I'm mix it up a little bit. Then I'm gonna put 2 more drops of phenolphthalein. And then I'm going to take an empty cup. I'm gonna get an empty cup. And again, the purpose of this is to show that some chemical reactions are reversible. So I'm going to pour my phenolphthalein and sodium hydroxide solution into this empty cup. So now you see, as you can see, it's in the cup. So let me zoom in. It's in the cup. So now I'm gonna take a cup of water and watch what happens when I add this cup of water to it. Watch what happens. It becomes clear. So this is a fun little example of an experiment that you can do with your friends, families, kids, to show that some chemical reactions are reversible. So it went from being a colorful solution to now it's just clear. So like if somebody were to walk in here right now and they looked at this cup, they would think it was just water in here. They wouldn't even know that it was just pink. But yeah, this is my phenolphthalein sodium hydroxide lab. Subscribe to the channel, like and comment. More videos coming soon. Trey T out. Peace.